Assalamu alaikum dear students, I am back again. I hope all of you will be fine. Please take out your English notebook, hold your pencil and get ready for handwriting practice. Today we will continue our alphabetical practice from M to onward. So here we have our today's first letter. As you can see here, capital M, small m, mango. Now we will write it here. Capital M. Touch the line is must. Small m. Mango. Here we have next alphabet. Capital N. Small n. Nail. Now we will write it here. Capital N, small n, nail. Here we have next alphabet, letter O. Capital O, small o, orange. Now we will write it here. Capital O, small o, orange. Next alphabet is letter P. Capital P, small p, pencil. Now write it on your notebook. Capital P. Small p should start from the second line, as you know. Small p, pencil. Next alphabet is letter Q. Capital Q, small q, quill. Now write it on your notebook. Capital Q, small q, quill. Here we have letter R. Capital R, small r, ring. Now write it on your notebook. Capital R, small r, rainbow, ring. Now let's revise today's lesson with me. Capital M, small m, mango. Capital N, small n, nail. Capital O, small o, orange. Capital P, small p, pencil. Capital Q, small q, quill. Capital R, small r, ring. Now please keep your work in practice and I will come soon with my next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.